Just 10 years ago, it was very hard to get even a nickel of investment in kidney disease. Today, we have many companies as well as interest in the academic space. Now, we don't have just one company doing investment. We have multiple companies because they see the benefit of investing in kidney disease.
I would say if you look at healthcare in general, this pace at which innovation has come into healthcare in the last 10 years has been almost exponential.
So in the last 10 years, there's been a lot of progress in bringing access to therapy in the home. And I think that's a big step because that also translates into the design of the device or the design of the technology to be more patient-centered. And that's also a proof point that the space is committed to improving care for those patients. That's a key aspect of why patients and caretakers should be excited, because it's paved the way for the next steps.
When you think about the efforts of the Kidney Health Initiative and everything that they've done over the last 10 years, it is remarkable. Now you have an organization that have been more innovative, more collaborative, have done an excellent job in talking to the community, inviting the community. They've made a way for people like me who lives with chronic kidney disease to not only chair a committee, but to be at the table, to have a seat at the table.
For me, innovation really means that patients have more choices. To do that, I think we really need to work together.
I think in the next 5 years, kidney leaders in the space would like to see a greater spirit of collaboration. The more that we can share our collective wisdom, the more we can advance the space.
Bringing the community together allows people to make connections. Based on my experience, on many other people's experience, meeting the right people and learning the new things are a really good way to facilitate faster innovation.
Researchers and innovators can certainly challenge themselves more by taking the time to listen to those that are living with kidney disease. In my opinion, what people want to see in kidney innovation in the next 5 or 10 years are some of the current therapies and innovations that are being developed. People have been waiting for a long time for some of the innovations to come to fruition.
We need to be patient-centric in all that we do. It's important not to just have the patient share their story at the beginning or the end of a conference, but to be a seat at the table.
Having the patient be part of not just discussions at Key, but be part of product development has had a huge impact on how we think about kidney disease.
I really hope that we'll make significant progress in terms of data sharing. In spaces where we've seen the community come together, we've really transformed drug development. I really hope we also make progress in terms of making our trials less burdensome to participate in. People need to live their lives, and so even if you have a disease shouldn't consume you.
I would love to see a new breakthrough technology, maybe a novel technology that has a new and innovative way for patients to access their blood, working together to find better solutions for the renal community.
I think what I want people living with kidney disease to know is that there have really been tremendous advances in the science, tremendous advances in drug development for kidney diseases, both rare or common. So I do want them to have hope and know that there is a reason to be hopeful.